Saga and Nini caught under duvet making love. BB Naija shine your eye lovebirds Saga and Nini were last night caught on camera making out under the sheet while the rest of the housemates slept on. The couples, who are slowly becoming viewers' favorites, were seen all wrapped up in blankets as they shared the same bed while resting yesterday night. Keen watchers of the reality TV show caught the lovebirds passionately having a romantic time and captured the moments on camera. While the lovers were enjoying their romantic moment, they had a brief interruption after hearing a noise from the door. Looking at the video, one could see the disappointment in both lovers' faces after they were interrupted.